Latasha products. La 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 la. Latasha products.
You want to be happy and you need to try these products, the Latasha products.
Glowing and fresh because of deadly hair? Try our new product. I assure you boys, the girls will have courtship for us, even asking to marry them. It is a 24 hours lovely looking hair. I introduce to you. I built this product especially this coming Valentine's Day. The Nyats Be Moi. This is the most popular for lip palette person.
Mommy,
So, what are you waiting for? Try our new product. But wait, there's more. It can arrange your desired hairstyle without stiffness and stickness. The Latasha product.
You want a kissable lips, try these products, the products of Latasha, the shadow lipstick product. If you buy, you already have a Latasha product.
La 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 la.
You want to have a smooth skin?
Yes!
This is a Latasha product Aurelis. This is made of Aurelis fish with salt. It helps your skin in dehydrating, endurance, stress, sunlight.
Thank you.
This helps your skin to be fairer and slightly
Founding lotion, dual-purpose product, which you can use as your liquid foundation as well as your lotion. When you apply this, you will get fairer, softer, smoother, and looks flawlessly beautiful. Founding lotion, only in Latasha. Latasha, Cremsona products. If you use Cremsona to your hair, the hair will turn to shine, glowy, and bouncy. But if you use to your armpit, the hair of your armpit will die. And your armpit will become smooth and white. So, what are you waiting for? Cremsona. Bye.
You want to be happy and feeling fresh? Now, it's your time to shine with new Perfume Master Refreshing Body Mist and Dirty New Body. It makes you attractive and handsome for the It gives you the best quality and opportunity to be happy. So what are you waiting for? Buy now this Perfume